Narrative text. Do you know about narrative text? Narrative text is a type of text that tells chronological story in the past tense. General structure of narrative text. First, orientation is the opening part of narrative text story. It introduces the character and setting of the story. Second, complication is the part that contains the problem that occurred in the story. Third, resolution is the part that contains the resolution or the end of story. Fourth, reorientation contains conclusion, moral values, or character change at the end of story.
There are characteristics. First, using past tense. Narrative texts often contain past tense because they typically recount events or stories that have already occurred. Example, it grew when. Second, using adverbial of time. Narrative texts often use adverbials of time to provide a clear structure and sense of progression to the story. Example, early one morning, as she joked, and later that day. Third, using adjective. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns, or put it simply, adjectives are words that give more information about a noun such as its color, shape, size, characteristic, and other similar things. Example, brave, dark, and mysterious.
Kind of narrative text. First, fairy tales. Tales about magical creatures. Second, science fiction. Stories about the influence of technology and science. Third, horror stories. Fourth, fables. Stories about animal life. Fifth, mystery. Sixth, romance. Seven, adventure stories. 8. Legend. Story about folklore of a big one era.
The purpose of narrative text. The purpose of narrative text is to amuse or to entertain the reader with a story.
This is an example of a narrative text story. First question. Who are the characters in the story? A. Toba, B. Samosir, C. Fish, D. The woman, E. Mother. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Second question. What did the man do in the part of orientation except A. He caught a fish, B. Leave the fish in the kitchen, C. Search for some firewood, D. Cook a fish, E. Brought it home to eat it. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. Third question. Who is the woman in the story? A. His mother, B. His wife, C. The stranger, D. Her daughter, E. The man. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Fourth question. What promise did the woman make to the man? A. Toba must never tell anyone that she was once a fish. B. Promise to marry a woman. C. Promise to give birth. D. Toba will give offspring. E. Toba will provide a decent life. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Fifth question. Why is Toba angry with his son? A. Samosir is naughty. B. Samosir hit Toba. C. Samosir injured his mother. D. Because Samosir is a baby fish. E. Samosir eats Toba's lunch. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Sixth question. What did Samosir do after Toba got angry? A. Leave his house. B. Killed his father. C. Complained to his mother. D. Go up the hill. E. Go play with his friend. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. What is the orientation? The answer is once upon a time lived a man named Toba. One day, he caught a fish and brought it home to eat it. He left the fish in the kitchen and searched for some firewood. After he came back, he was surprised. What is the complication? The answer is, one day, Toba was very angry at Samosir at the farm. "Why did you eat my lunch, you son of a fish?" sighed Toba. Samosir cried and then ran to his home. He told his mother what happened. The mother was sad because Toba broke his promise. Then she told Samosir to go to a hill because a disaster was about to come. What is the conclusion? The answer is, suddenly there was a flood coming, turning the place into a lake. The woman jumped into the water and turned into a fish. Samosir was safe on the hill, but his father, Toba, drowned in the lake. After that, people started to call the place as Toba Lake, and they called the island in the middle of the lake as Samosir Island.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.